Hello learners, I'm going to solve question number 26 of exercise 3.1. So let's see what is given. If 2a minus b plus c is equals to 0, prove that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equals to 0. So let's see how we'll solve the sum. Given that 2a minus b plus c is equals to 0 and we need to prove that what 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equals to, this is a 0. Okay, as your question has given you hint also, but in exam you are not going to get any hint. Your question says that, your hint says that transfer b from LHS to RHS, but being math student, it comes in mind our mind that why b, why not c, why not 2a, why we are not transferring any other number, why only b. For that you may verify why we have to transfer b. You just think, if I have transferred c from this side, this will become minus c, right? Now I will square it to solve my sum. So then what happened? A square plus b square means 4a square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 2 into 2a, that is 4a into b. This will be 4ab, and in this side RHS, this will be c square. Now as we knew that during proving sums, what we are doing again and again, we are cross checking that we are on correct track or not. So when I compare these two equations, I found that here the relation is between 4ab, a and b, and here relation is between a and c. It means we have to keep a and c on one side, and we will transfer third one, that is b, on next side. So you no need to wait for any hint or clue. You just start your sum in your own way, and whenever you found there is fault, you change your track and come back to the correct track. Okay, so what we are going to do, since 2a minus b plus c is equals to 0, so 2a plus c is equals to, that's why maths is called as or the correct way of learning a mathematics is trial and error method. When you are doing all those things, then you will become smarter in mathematics. Reach to your answer in your own way, but that should be correct. So what I did, I transferred b from LHS to RHS, right? Now squaring, both side, this will be 2a plus c whole square, that is b square. This will be 4a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 2a into c b square, and we have to mention this formula whichever we have used, that is a plus b square. We have used a square plus b square plus 2ab. Whenever we will use any entity, either on top you mention it or on right side, so that you have used this, because you will get step marking for this also. So here is 4a square plus c square plus 4ac and b square. See, we are about to reach to our answer. We are having 4a square, c square, 4ac. We will transfer it this side, and that RHS will be with 0. Therefore 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac is equals to 0. Proved. Thank you.